Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your password for PayPal if you've forgotten it. If you've forgotten your PayPal password, you can reset it easily using the mobile app or a web browser. First of all, launch open PayPal application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and get to paypal.com. After you get to the login screen for PayPal, you will be prompted to enter your email address followed by your PayPal account's password. So what can you do when you've forgotten your password and cannot access your PayPal account? All you need to do is to simply tap on Forgot Your Password link right beneath the password box. After tapping on Forgot Your Password, you will be asked to enter your email address associated with your PayPal account. Type down your email or username for PayPal and click Next. Now, select whether you'd like to use PayPal app or get an email to reset your password. After selecting any one option, click on Next. On the next page, enter the security code that will be sent to you via your email and get back to your email inbox. Copy the code. Now, you'll need to enter the security code sent to your email. Go ahead and open up your email's inbox and you will be provided with a security code. Type down the security code in the text box. Make sure to type it down correct and click on Submit. On the next page, you will get to create a new password. Type down the new password in the first text box that you want to change to. Re-enter the new password in the next field. For your security, tap on Log Out of All Device so that anyone that has logged into your PayPal account will be logged out as well once you reset this password. Now click on Save Password and then you will be able to create a new password for your PayPal account. You will be redirected in the login section. Here, type down the new password that you just created. After you do that, you will then be able to log in to your PayPal account with the new password. That is what you do in case you've forgotten your PayPal account's password. You can easily reset to a new one by following these steps. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you again in the next video.